Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by removing loose dust. Use a vacuum brush or a dry microfiber duster so grit won't scratch glass. Once done, spray the vinegar water mix lightly. You want cleaning power without pooling. Use a soft microfiber in circular motions to lift grime, paying special attention to corners and frame seals. Make sure to clean the frame edges too, because dirt there will smear back onto the glass. Swap to a second. Dry cloth immediately to begin the drying step and prevent streaks. Now you tackle the middle work. Spray a little cleaner and wipe top to bottom so gravity helps keep streaks minimal. For the channel between glass and frame, use a cotton swab or an old toothbrush to dislodge trapped dirt. That prevents residue from reappearing. If you have stubborn adhesive or bird droppings, dab undiluted vinegar and let it sit 2 to 3 minutes before wiping. This softens buildup without harsh scrubbing. Make sure to check both interior and exterior surfaces for even clarity. Finish by buffing with a clean, dry microfiber using straight vertical strokes. Short, controlled passes give the best shine. Once done, inspect the glass at a 45 degrees angle under natural light. This reveals any remaining streaks or smudges you can quickly rework. If you still see a cloudy film, repeat the wash, but use a 50/50 water and isopropyl alcohol solution to cut through residue. However, avoid alcohol on sealed insulated units. Lastly,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.